Today, we're diving into a natural remedy for a common hair woe, dandruff. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to talk about how to use a household staple, baking soda, to tackle those pesky flakes and leave your hair feeling fresh and clean. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest tips and tricks. Understanding the problem. First things first, let's talk about dandruff. It's a common scalp condition caused by various factors like dry skin, oily skin, or even certain skin conditions. While there are many over-the-counter remedies available, some can be harsh on the scalp or may not work effectively for everyone. Dandruff can be embarrassing and uncomfortable, but fear not. We're here to explore a natural alternative that could be gentler on your scalp. The power of baking soda. Enter baking soda, a pantry staple with a multitude of uses, including combating dandruff. Baking soda has natural exfoliating properties that can help remove dead skin cells and excess oil from the scalp, which are often the culprits behind dandruff. Plus, it's affordable and readily available, making it a convenient option for many. How to use baking soda for dandruff. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to use baking soda to banish dandruff. It's super simple. Start by mixing 2 tablespoons of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. You want it to be spreadable but not too runny. Once your paste is ready, apply it directly to your scalp, focusing on areas prone to dandruff. Gently massage it in for a few minutes to ensure it's evenly distributed. After massaging, let it sit for about 5 minutes to allow the baking soda to work its magic. Rinse and repeat. After the waiting period, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Be sure to remove all traces of the baking soda paste to prevent any residue. You can follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner routine if desired. Tips and precautions. Before you rush off to try this remedy, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Firstly, start with a patch test to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions to baking soda. Secondly, consider incorporating a moisturizing step afterward, like applying coconut oil to your scalp to prevent dryness. And lastly, don't overdo it. Limit usage to once or twice a week to avoid stripping your scalp of its natural oils. And there you have it, a simple and natural way to bid adieu to dandruff using baking soda. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and remember to subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and happy